Hey everyone, Codex here. So today what we're gonna do is take a look at Elrond's native token EGLD, and we'll be discussing the downward pressure and the bearish momentum that we've been experiencing this week, and we'll also dive deep on what we should expect in the near future. So if you guys like the content, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and of course make sure to join our Telegram channel. So in the previous Elrond video, we covered the Phoenix Ascending Indicator, and I remember for a fact saying that if the blue LSMA and red RSI start trending below the mid-yellow line, which is the level of 50, then it's time to pack things up, and we will most likely head to this level. And actually, a part of what we discussed ended up happening. The blue LSMA and red RSI are currently below 50, and the price has dropped from $60 US to $50. Now, the one thing I want to mention before moving forward on this is that Elrond hasn't really been garbage this time, okay? Usually, alts, and especially Elrond, I don't know why, it tends to get destroyed and wiped out when ETH drops massively. However, we've been going down somewhat at the same rate, if not less, than ETH, and so I think that this is worth mentioning. Going back to our indicator on the daily time frame, look, the lines are still below 50, the blue LSMA is still trending down, indicating a low buy pressure, and so the odds of this downtrend continuing on the midterm are very decent. I'm not saying we can't go up, I've never said that. Seeing an upward pressure on shorter time frames, I'm saying shorter time frames, and a move up perhaps even to 58 or $60 again is possible, but either way, it looks like the relief rallies that some of the altcoins have had, including EGLD, are indeed coming to their end. The more interesting part in all of this are macro timeframes, and this is what actually matters, because we know that what we want to know in here is when the bull run will prevail and when we will start experiencing those real gains where the price just goes up and up as if there is no limit. We're not really here to enjoy a 30 or a 40% gain and then get destroyed every single time. And so on the Phoenix Ascending Indicator, every time the blue LSMA and red RSI trended above 50 and they started going higher on the weekly time frame, we entered a bullish phase. Not necessarily a bull market, but usually a strong uptrend where we rally for at least 4 months. And we've experienced that in here. As you can see, our indicator has given us the bullish signal as our line started going up and the price just went on this parabolic move. We've also had the same exact thing back in here and also in here, and so this is what we're actually looking for right now. We are waiting for a confirmation with the blue LSMA and red RSI on this indicator. The day these two go up high and they start racing to the upside, we'll simply jump in, but as of now we don't really have that. As I said, the issue in here is that we aren't really having what we're waiting for, and whenever the lines are down like now and they are below the mid-yellow line, when the blue LSMA and red RSI are below the mid-yellow line, we just get destroyed and the price enters a bearish phase and it falls into a downward trajectory. And I mean, you can see how back in April we tried to go up above 50 and we failed as the red line trended back down. EGLD ended up losing over 82% of its value in a short period of time, and the same thing is happening right now. The red line is having a very hard time staying up and it's starting to curve back down, showing some signs of weakness, and if it starts going down again below 50, then expect the worst. Not necessarily an 80% crash like the one we had a few months ago, but the result of what we could experience is gonna be brutal. So this was about it, everyone. This was actually a very short video as I wanted to cover what we have on the macro time frames like I did back in April. I'm pretty sure I covered the Phoenix Ascending Indicator. I'm very confident that I said that, back in April of course, that I said that if the red line curves back down, we'll get destroyed, and so it's pretty much the same thing happening right now. I'm not saying we'll get destroyed. All I'm saying is that if the red line starts curving back down again and it falls below 50 in the next few days, then expect the worst and it's time to pack things up. So that was about it, everyone, for today. Thanks for sticking by till the end. Have a nice day and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.